Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today we got a quick little snack, some pizza dogs. As you can see here, I have put some hot dog buns in an air fryer basket. I first added a little layer of mozzarella cheese in them. Now I'm going to top off with more mozzarella cheese. And I would like to remind everyone that starting in September, Dave's Cooking Show will be moving to a new time slot of 4 p.m. Now I'm going to add a little drizzle of my pizza sauce. I'll link to a video where I explain how to make it. It's really simple. Like I said, new time slot, 4 p.m. Just giving it a try. And now we're going to add some pepperonis. And then we're going to add some more cheese and pop this into a 375 to 400 degree air fryer up until the cheese is melty, ooey gooey, and wonderful. Takes about, 5 minutes I think it took me. I'm also going to top it with another layer of pepperonis. And through the magic of cooking show editing, the pizza dogs are done. They were delicious. So that's that. Like I said, really easy, quick, easy snack. So that's pizza dogs. Done.